you guys are doing great. I am fine. Compliment of the season. Welcome, gorgeous. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. In here, I review wigs from different companies all over the world. So today wig that will be revealing is from WorldNewHair. I'm going to bring it out in a minute. So guys, the hair is in here. Okay, see the packaging. We kept it in this dust bag. I like when a wig comes like this. You can store your wig in here. Okay, and they also put it in a plastic bag. See, there are some things inside, guys. They have some goodies. The hair is 24 inches and the density is 180 density, which is here. You guys can see 24 inches, 180 density. So it's coily hair. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. I love my coily hair. Wow, this is it. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. The hairline came clock, you see. Let me remove this. This is beautiful. I love this. So let's remove all this from it. There's some baby hair already done for us. See this? You see this? They brought out some baby hair. You see, already done for you. And the lace is brown, but it's showing kind of white. I think you can see it like this. It's brown, it's not white, it's already brown. So if you want to bleach the knot, you can bleach it, but I'm not going to do that. You guys know I always install my wigs the way they came, so that by the time you buy the wig, you will not see any difference. You say, this was how it was when she installed the wig. Not too much manipulation. And I like the coils. You can see the coils. See this? I love it. And it's 24 inches coily. Inside the wig, it came with some combs, inbuilt adjustable strap. Look at this, inbuilt adjustable strap, and there's a lace at the back. Like I said, is a 13 by 4 lace wig. You see, this one you can glue it down to pack your hair ponytail. Okay, but if you don't want, you can just fold it inside, like what I want to do today. You fold it inside, just shocking it, and you carry your hair like that. So there are some goodies that came with the wig. A wig cap, okay, and there's a card also from them. Repayment $500. Okay, you can pay. They use paper as well. You see, they use paper. So if you're using paper, you can pay with paper, your paper. Okay, wait. They are on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Their phone number, their website, their WhatsApp number, everything is here. Everything is in here. And at the front, they wrote, "Wanna get 500 cash? Follow." Wow! Look at that. You wanna get 500 cash? Follow all their social platforms. For discount code, okay, shop now. You get $15 off if you buy $99. Okay, code is W15. So this is it. There is edge brush, and whoa, there's earring. We're going to wear this. Let me wear it straight away. I'm going to wear this. Oh, thank you. Ooh, I love this. Let me put it aside. I'll wear this today. And also, what's this? I don't know the use of this. Please let me know in the comment section if you know the use of this. What is this used for? What's the use of this thing? I know maybe you can use this one to comb your brows, this side, but this side, I don't know. Let me know on the comment section in case if you know what that is meant for. And there is a pair of lashes, adjustable strap added to it. There is a band, hairband. Ooh, look at this. In case if you do your baby hair, or when you glue it down, you use this to hold your wig down. Okay, so those are the goodies that came with the wig. They are a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you, WorldNewHair. We appreciate. This is what we want. So I'm going to install the wig straight away, no waste of time. Let me reinstall this first. No waste of time. So guys, this is it on. Let me add water in front. So I want to do side parts. I'm not going to do center parts. So let's do side. Kind of C parts. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'm doing C parts. Now you can see the joining of the wig. So we're going to put hair here. So guys, this is our part. I'm going to put gel. Take it down. I'm using styling gel. So guys, this is my part. I've gotten my part in. So I'm going to cut out the excess lace from it. I'll use gel. Just in front of it. So I'll put it round like this. Okay. So guys, this is it. I'm going to tie it down while I work on the hair. We're going to tie the front down. So I'll comb it.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.
So I'm going to wet it, then add cream to it. Let's see. Ooh, this is big. This is so big. Okay, let's wet it and see. See, as I'm wetting it, the coils, they are defining. See that?
Call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun.
You see, as I wet it, see the coils. So I'll go to the bathroom and wet it very well, then I'll be right back. So guys, I've wet it. You see this? So I did not add cream, just only water. that I add to it. There's little shedding as I wet the hair, so I'm going to add cream to it. I'll use this Koi Lala. Let me add little. I'm not going to add much. You see that? Oh, I love coily hair. I love coily hair. One thing with coily hair, you can decide not to wet it. You just carry it dry and it will be beautiful. Then when you wet it, add cream, or you can wet it without even adding cream. It will be beautiful as well. Oh, you see this, guys? See the coils? This is lovely. So lovely. The coils just define. I really like this hair. See how the coils define. So guys, I'm going to lose this from it. I wanna make it sweat on me. So guys, that is the finished look. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. See the front. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh. You see the front? You can pack it the way you want. Blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. So gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Hi. Angels in the sand, you let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.